Y'all, this is Jessica at Casa Magnolia, and today I'm going to show you a quick spring home tour. This video is part of the DIY and Decor challenge hosted by the DIY Mommy, so I am so thankful to her for hosting this challenge. I'm not going to talk through the video because I just want you to hear the music and have fun seeing my decor, but I do have 3 other spring videos, one showing my wreath, one showing my mantle, and another one with 5 tips on how to get spring into your home without going overboard. So I will link those down below if you're interested. Be sure and check out the rest of the challenge playlist after you finish this video, and I will see you soon. Bye.